everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. I hope you're all having a lovely weekend. Just want to quickly do an intro because I don't want to spend too long yapping away. I just want to get into what I need to get into because honestly this house is an absolute mess. You should see the state of it. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Katy. I am a mother of two, wife, nurse. If you have clicked on this video for like a nice aesthetic cream organising video, you're not going to get that with this. It's literally, my house is just not aesthetic at all, but we try. I like to keep it organised, tidy as much as I can. So anyway, I'm not going to blabber on too much, but I've got so much to do. The boys are out today, so I just thought clean, food prep, the works, get it done in one day, because God knows when I'll be able to do it again, you know, with two kids. I'm going to stop yapping and let's jump into the video. Just had a Temu order arrive mid-clean. I've been waiting for this product so I could sort my bathroom out, and it arrived today, so I just thought I'd go through my little Temu order. Most of it is for work, I'll be honest, but I bought something for the bathroom. So first thing I got is just a vacuum phone magnetic holder for your car, just because my job, I'm in the community a lot and I need a lot of addresses and houses, so I just put my phone on that when I've got the address, so then I can see it, visualize it. So that was really cheap actually. I think that was about £2. And then got a new lanyard. So obviously, you know, I'm a nurse, so I got this cute little lanyard, and it's just got medicine and injections and stuff on it. That's cute. So I'm going to swap that around in a bit. And then I got some croc charms for my shoes at work. Oh, these are so cute. Look how cute these are. It just says, you can see that, nurse, that one. We've got, that one says happy pills. I just think they're dead cute for you. That's got like a little heartbeat and a stethoscope. A little medical bag. Oh, there's loads and loads and loads. Literally, I think I paid about £2 for these. This little nurse, but she's not got blonde hair. Oh, look at that one. Little nursing outfit. There's loads and loads and loads. So oh, a little mask, cute. So I'm going to put them on. I wear Crocs for work, so I'm going to put them on my new Crocs, which I'm excited. Well, I say new Crocs, I've got to order them yet. My old Crocs are like completely done with, so I need to get some new Crocs. But yeah, I've got new Croc charms, and then I've got a new lanyard. So little things I'm happy about. I also got, obviously in the UK now, it's winter, so my car is covered in frost in the morning, so I just got 2 screen covers for the car, one for me, one for Sam. This is what I've been waiting for the bathroom. So but I think I've got to build it, which I don't mind, but thought it was going to come like kind of already made. Yeah, I'm just going to quickly make it and then I'll get back to you. Ta-da! That's what I've just made. It took me like 2 seconds. So basically this, let me just show you what I mean. Please just ignore the bathroom. We're not onto this section yet. But see all this? It's just giving me anxiety. So all this is going to be moved. I'm going to clean all that corner and then put all like my perfume, skincare. Not that I even have much, but and Sam can have his own little shelf. Yeah, I just think that's so cool. That was literally about £7 off Temu. I'm actually made up with that. So I'm going to go and clean the corner now and carry on cleaning the bathroom and set all this up. Just added a few bits to it. I'm made up with that. So that is the windowsill now. It's a lot more cleaner, which I made up. Literally £7 Temu, made up because that corner was a mess. Literally all upstairs is clean now. Let me just show you. Like that makes me so happy that the bedroom's lovely and clean. Bathroom's lovely and clean. And the bathroom is lovely and clean. So the kids are out today. This is the first time in I think since Arthur was born that I've had a day to myself. So this is why we're doing a massive like get the house clean, because I never ever get time to do this. So I've done like the bedding, my pajamas, the lot is like all the windows have been like cleaned. Yeah, so upstairs is practically done now. I'm going to go down and I'm going to do some food prepping as well because the boys are out, so I'm going to, you know, take advantage of this time. Why does it take so long to clean a house? Literally, like, there's no one in and I'm still like 3 hours in to cleaning the house and I'm just, it's not even anywhere where I want it to be. Oh. Anyway, the show must go on. So I think Sam literally will be back in the next 2 hours, so I am going to carry on cleaning down here, but before that I just want to do my food prep because I literally don't get a chance when the kids are here. It's just, there's no chance of me doing it. So I thought, why I'm speaking to you guys, I may as well get it done. This week I'm doing, if everything's not gone off because it's been in the fridge that long, this week, let me just see what day it is. No. This week I'm doing red pepper soup. Honest to God, it's good. Try and prep as much as I can when they're not here. So then when they are here, I just get it out and put it in the microwave, basically. So, red pepper soup. This one is also stunning. I know I keep saying how it is. I love making my soups. 1 garlic clove, 4 red peppers, 1 onion, 2 leeks, tomatoes, tin tomatoes, cream, pepper, black pepper. I think that's it. I think if there's anything else, I'll let you know. Someone did mention as well that my sound isn't very good on the vlogs, and I am well aware. I am very well aware, but my mic isn't set up yet, so when it's set up, fingers crossed, I just don't have a clue how to use it. So I'm just gonna, Sam's used all the oil, so I'm just using coconut oil because that is literally all I've got in. These onions I don't get along with. So I literally try and do it as quick as I can. I'm not even going to peel too much because I just can't. I can't tolerate the onion. I don't know if that's to everyone, but so I'm going to just do like 3 cuts, 2, 3, and then put in the pan like as she is. Love a good leek in the soup. So 2 leeks. I always peel my first leek. That is a big ass leek. I don't know. Do you use that top of the leek? I don't know. I actually don't use it. I don't know if you're supposed to. Well, I'm sure you can, like, but. So 2 leeks, 1 onion's in there, and obviously we clean as we go. And we've got the pepper. Even though it's a red pepper soup, well, that's what I call it. You can actually don't have to use red. Just like all like amber colours. So the orange and the yellow one's absolutely fine. Can't remember how I cut this last time to get. And then your pepper, just chuck that in. I don't literally cut it anyway, like any fancy way. It's crazy when you've not got the kids just for one day how much stuff you've got done. No doubt tonight that the house will look exactly as it did this morning, but you know, at least like for my sake it feels a little bit cleaner. This soup, I don't know which is nicer, my broccoli and collie or this soup. I don't know. This one is really nice though. Oh, my eyes are going already. I don't know if it's. I think it's because I don't know if it's when the onion's cooking that makes me eye sting instead of actually cutting it. I don't know if it releases something when it gets cooked. So let me know if you know, but I don't. I'm not sure. I'm weighing myself weekly, but I'm only doing it weekly because I'm not having. I don't want this diet like just focused on weight. That's the thing I don't want. I just want it more focused on health, less social media, healthy mind, and just like my internal gut and things. So my weight I'm putting to the back burner, and I've restricted myself, like only weigh myself once a week. In the past, I will admit, when I've done diets and things, I'd weigh myself like every morning, and then sometimes it would be like really unhealthy where I'd be weighing myself like every time I go for the week, and it's just, it gets like really toxic and unhealthy. So yeah, I just weigh myself once a week now, and the scales is what it is. I'm not bothered. But on that note, I lost, how much did I lose? So I think I was 73 on last week's vlog, and I was a 74? I can't remember. But at this current time, I am 70.2. So that's good. I've lost £6 without trying. I'm going to just add, the good thing about this soup, you can literally put anything in it. So I'm just going to add a spring onion in it because I've got them in the fridge. So that's going in as well. We want a good browning off that. You heard me, we want a good browning. Right, am I a chef now? Yeah, that's what we do, we want a good browning. So literally, all that goodness in there. I'm going to whack that up, and I just let it brown off. And then when it's browned off, I add chopped tomatoes, 2 tins of carrots, I forgot to tell you about the carrots. And I just put a few fresh tomatoes in as well. Let that simmer for a while, and then come back with the cream, and it's stunning. I just want to have a good time. Yeah, so I'm going to do that now. Add a little bit of water to it, let it simmer for an hour, and then I'll come back when it's all done. That has been boiling for an hour. All I'm going to do now, let me just turn the light on, is add some cream to it. Single cream, don't use double. I'm going to add some single cream to it. Oh, that's just gone everywhere. I think it's so easy to fall in love. And then I'm going to give that a mix and turn it up. And then while the cream's heating up, I'm just going to get the blender out. Yeah, I'm going to get the blender out and then I'll come back to you when I've bagged it all up. You've seen this before, all that jars on last week's video, so yeah. There is all my soups done. I'll just let them cool down. Whew, that's one. I'll just let them cool down and then I'll put them in the freezer. Obviously the date is on them and then I just get them out as and when I want them or when I give them the boys. Whew. So literally everything is so tidy and clean. I'll just show you, I've just done all the haul. The only thing I need to do is just do a quick hoover, but I'm going to have a minute. So I'm going to have a cup of tea and read some of my book. Obviously try and stay off social media. So, you know, I've read The Housemaid. I don't shut up about it. And I've read The Housemaid's Secret. I don't know if I spoke about The Housemaid's Secret. It wasn't as good as The Housemaid. I'm saying it like you're bothered, but I'll tell you anyway. The Housemaid is a brilliant book. And then Housemaid's Secret was okay. I'd say it's like 7 out of 10. And at the minute, I'm also reading another. These are all Frida McFadden books. I'm also reading The Surrogate Mother. That's what I'm reading at the minute. And I'm on like chapter 5, so I'm not that much into it at the minute just because Noah's poorly. So I'm only reading like a couple of pages a night. But yeah, the off social media is going really well and I'm happy that I'm into all these books. So yeah, I'm going to make myself a nice cup of tea now, read some more book and just chill for an hour.